All right, so here is the cubes strategy, which is a strategy to help you with word problems. Okay, so I'm gonna write out what cubes means. And I'll explain what it means as I'm going. Circle, underline, box, evaluate, and eliminate. Okay, so circle is the first thing we do. We circle the numbers and the units. So within this problem, I'm going to circle 6 points and 12 points. Okay, we're going to underline the question. Okay, so what's his total score now? We're going to box any helper words that will let us understand the operations. So we're going to box the math clue words, okay? So I'm going to box scored and scored. If it said lost, we would know that it would be different. So scored is going to be addition. So we know that, okay? So evaluate, all right. Doesn't matter that he's playing this game. We're going to eliminate Sub-Zero because we don't need to know. All right, we just need to know his total score. Okay, first round he scored 6, second round he scored 12. So right now, all we need to know to solve this problem is he got 6 points and he got 12 more points. Okay, so right now we can solve. 6 plus 12 is 18, positive 18. 18 what? Go back to the question. 18 points. All right. New problem. Again, cubes. Circle. Underline. Box. Math words. Evaluate. And eliminate. And then solve and check. Okay? All right, so for this question, the afternoon temperature in Biscoff Bay was 2 degrees Fahrenheit. By midnight, a warm front moved in and the temperature rose to 11 degrees Fahrenheit. What was the change in temperature from afternoon to midnight? Okay, so first I'm going to circle my numbers and my units. 2 and 11. And circle the degrees too, because sometimes when you circle numbers and their units, you'll notice the question may ask something different, so you can cross that out in a later stage. So we're going to underline what was the change in temperature. Okay. We're going to box any math words. So math words will let you know if you are adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing. So here, I'm going to read through again. Ooh, temperature rose. All right, that sounds like it's increasing. And then the second word is a box. Okay, for change. Change always in my head, I'm thinking subtraction. Evaluate and eliminate. All right, so afternoon temperature, boopity boop. Don't care if it's Biscoff Bay or Buffalo. All right, warm front, da-dee-dee-da. All right, so now we need to know what's the change in temperature. Okay, so when we change is subtraction. All right, it's no different than if we saw the word difference. Okay, so here we're going to have 11 minus 2. All right, they're both positive numbers, so we're going to get 9. And then look back to the question, it's going to be 9 degrees Fahrenheit change. New one. A gopher was digging 8 inches in the ground. To avoid a tree root, it dug 3 inches deeper. What's the position of the gopher now relative to the surface? Okay, so I'm going to circle 8 inches and 3 inches. We're going to underline what is the position of the gopher now relative to the surface. We're going to box our math terms, okay? Below the ground and deeper, okay? So here, below, I'm thinking negative, all right? It's 8 inches below the ground, so I'm down. I'm underneath the surface. And then 3 inches deeper, I'm going down farther, okay? So here we have -8. That's our starting point, below ground. And then he's going to go deeper, so we're going to combine that with a -3. When we evaluate that same sign, add, and keep, we'll get a -11 inches below the surface. Best of luck in your cube strategy.